Hihintayin natin siyang uminit. Again, siya ang dapat uminit, hindi ang ating ulo. Okay. O, ngayon nakikita ko na naluluto na pala siya. Kasi kanina hinuhulaan ko lang. Red onions dahil
No,
yun ang
it's purple. It's
Oh, okay. Purple onions. Okay. Dapat ina-expose natin yung mga kids sa healthy.
The bright.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mommy Mariel Padilla. Hello everyone! How are you all doing? Today we are going to do a cooking vlog and I am going to share with you the latest from Cooking in a Food Market, and that is our Panalo Chicken Teriyaki. Panalo talaga, so easy, so convenient for us mothers. Kasi let's face it, di ba? Parang wala naman talaga tayong maraming time para maghanda ng kung ano-ano sa kusina. Pero gusto natin na makakain ng masarap ang ating mga anak. So today, I am going to show you guys 3 ways on how you can elevate a very simple Panalo Chicken Teriyaki. Let's go! So the very first one that we are going to do is the simplest, the most basic, the regular chicken teriyaki na kinakain natin. Ito yung chicken teriyaki na rice bowl. So of course, eto, sobrang dali lang po. Sobrang kaming proud because ang aming chicken teriyaki, we only use the most premium ingredients. At para nakakainis, mag-apron tayo. At hindi lang basta-basta apron, para nakakainis talaga, mag-Gucci apron tayo, okay? So everything you need is in here. Later, I will show you what we are going to do with our teriyaki glaze. So first things first, i-on na natin ang ating apoy. If you ask me, ako talaga siguro I would prefer yung charcoal talaga. Kaya lang wala kami noon. Tapos marami din naman na walang ganun sa mga bahay nila, di ba? Wala tayong mga ulingan. So, sa ganito na lang natin siya lulutuin. Hihintayin natin siyang uminit. Again, siya ang dapat uminit, hindi ang ating ulo. Okay. So ako, ayoko masyadong high fire kasi in my head, chicken siya. So kailangan luto through and through. So we marinated this for days talagang to achieve that optimum flavor. At saka sobrang dig. This is only $7.95 sa Cooking in a Food Market. I hope na matry niyo siya. So I'm not an expert, so I don't have, let's say, yung grill it for 5 minutes on each side. Naaano ko siya by my feel. So yan siya first. And then I cover it. Tapos nagte-text muna ako. Phone muna ako. Ganon. Hintay. IG. Pag-usapan natin yung apron. Yung apron na to, baka makita nyo to sa next live sell. And then, this chicken teriyaki is my sister's recipe. My sister is a self-taught home cook. And then when we tried it, sabi ko, ay, pwede yan sa Cooking in a Food Market. So yan, she developed it some more, and nung naging perfect na siya, sabi namin, game na, go na natin to. Lahat ng bagay sa mundo, depende lang sa kung anong feeling ko. So feeling ko, okay na siya, ayan. Feel ko siyang lagyan nung sauce. Mahirap siya ng konti tingnan kasi 6 p.m. na. Tapos, we are going to baste it again. Forever ang pagbe-baste. So, all of the recipe of Cooking in a Food Market is all close to my heart. They're all chosen from our family's, parang let's say, cookbook. Kasi gusto ko makapag-share kasi we love to eat. So for example, yung steak, it's my lola's recipe. Siya nagtitimpla nun for more than 30 years. I can really say na it's one of a kind because si Lolo is the only one who does that. There's also the tapa ni Lolo na kay Lolo rin on his own. We have the chicken barbecue ni Lola. Yun naman talaga, recipe din yun talaga ni Lola. Down to the peanut sauce kay Lola talaga. Yung chicken teriyaki kay ate. And then, yung paborito ni Robin Salpicao, yun naman po ang akin. Ako po ang nag-formulate ng recipe na yun. And soon, I am going to have frozen po siya na kare-kare ni Papa Roy. Papa Roy is Robin's father. Yung love language niya is yung time that he spends teaching them in the kitchen how to cook. And yung kare-kare is one of the dishes na talagang sobrang naging favorite ng mga kids na ginagawa niya kasi it's made from real peanuts. Time yata na yun, wala pang blender or wala pang ano, kaya talagang ang kwento sa akin ni Mama Eva, sakit na daw nung kilikili niya, kaka-chop-chop. So soon we're going to have that. I always want to share something na close sa aming pamilya, kaya nabuo ang Cooking in a Food Market. Even our sauces, ang gumagawa nun is my cousin. Family, ano talaga siya? Family. Walang item na hindi family. Oh, yun, feeling ko na naman, ay, naluto na. Oh, na-feel ko na naman ulit. So, titingnan ko siya. Tapos, i-flip ko na naman. We are going to base it. Tapos, i-up ko ng konti yung heat. Kasi ang hinahabol ko talaga, kaya dito ko siya ginigrill. Yung grill marks, favorite ko yon. Yan. Okay, so now, i-up ko na yung heat. Okay, ngayon na magsisimula ang tunay na lutuan. Siguro sabi nila, ngayon pa lang, ang dami mo nang sinabi. Yes, ngayon pa lang po. Ayan, nagsisimula na siya. Or you know what, you can also pan fry this ha. Kung kunwari wala kayong griller, no problem. Totoo na talaga yung init kasi nagsaspark na siya. Oy! So now, alam niyo na, i-feel natin ulit. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-feel. There's no recipe na, kung ano yung recipe yun, eksakto yung gagawin. Laging may personal touch mo, laging may ano, make it your own. When you cook with your eyes, with your ears, with your nose, with your mouth, sabi ni Gordon Ramsay. So, kailangan talagang lahat-lahat yan, depende sa feel. O, ayan! O, di ngayon, para ang feeling natin, nagka-camping tayo. Nagka-camping kasi may flashlight. O, ngayon nakikita ko na naluluto na pala siya. Kasi kanina, hinuhulaan ko lang. Habang meron yan, alam niyo nang next na gagawin natin, tayo ay mag-baste. Pinapaliguan natin siya. Yan. Hindi kami makapag-camping ng mga kids because ayoko ng mga insekto at saka ayoko naiinitan. Yung isang beses, sabi sa akin ni Isabella, Nanay, can we go camping? No! There are many mosquitoes and it's hot! I need the aircon! Sabi ko talaga because I can't. Yung teriyaki glaze natin, wino-warm to, iniinit. Okay, so hindi lang ulit yung ulo ang papainitin, ito din teriyaki glaze. So based from my feelings, ay ang ganda na. So ngayon babaliktarin na natin siya. And I think this is our last baliktad. Oh, beautiful na, oh. I didn't really know how to cook. Like when I married Robin, all I could cook was scrambled eggs. Although before when I lived in Singapore, I had to cook. Sometimes miss ko yung adobo, sinigang, ganyan. So my lolo would send me the recipe and I'd do it there. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Ayan, it's really good now. It's got that nice glaze and that beautiful color. So now we can turn it off. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, is it hot? Good job. So, lalagay natin yung rice natin. Pretend we're in a Japanese restaurant. Okay, and then we are going to slice it. Yung iba, kung hindi nyo po gagawin na ganito, you can actually put the teriyaki glaze in a bowl and then mix it all there. Kaya lang, I like to do it this way only because ita-rice topping ko siya.
You're gonna share that food to everyone in the village.
Yeah. And then we are going to put this one right over there. See, this is our special teriyaki glaze. And this is our first one, the classic, the easiest, the bestseller teriyaki bowl. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kasimple. Inihaw mo, linagay mo sa kanin, tapos. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Sobra na siyang nakakabusog. This is the first and the easiest. So let's move on to our next. Alright, so first we are going to make our dressing. Sweetie, you're going to whisk it together, okay? We need our teriyaki glaze.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then you need rice vinegar. Okay? Mandidiri yan dun sa amoy, I'm sure. Okay, it's okay. If you want to wipe, you can wipe on your... You can wipe on yours! You can wipe on yours. Why don't you go there and wash your hands in the sink?
Okay, I'll be right back.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you.
Then
now we're going to put the oil.
that's not vinegar. Not like the vinegar.
Yeah, not like the vinegar, okay. This is some pineapple juice. Now, you don't have to put all, you can just put some. Okay, maybe that's enough.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah, okay, now whisk it. Now, while Isabella is whisking that, we are going to put the rest of our teriyaki glaze in a bowl.
It's getting so good.
Ito na yung glaze.
Glaze?
Yeah, we're glazing it.
I want to mix some more.
Okay, so now we can make this sit for a while I chop some of our lettuce.
And
Okay.
while mommy's chopping
The lettuce.
the lettuce, I'm going to keep mixing it.
Yeah, that's right, sweetheart.
It's all over.
So, sweetheart, why don't you tell us about school? What have you been doing in school?
We made also these.
Oh, you made it also.
Yeah.
How about your Tagalog lessons with Teacher Peaches? Why don't you share the stuff that you know? Ako? What is ako?
Me.
Ikaw?
You.
Tayo?
Everyone.
That's right. Good job. What is the everybody?
Ikaw.
What about the everybody?
Taho.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Okay. Don't worry, you're gonna perfect that also.
That will hurt your eyes.
Yeah. I'll try my best not to cry. So we have onions.
That will make you anybody cry.
Red onions dahil
No,
yun
it's
available.
purple. It's
Oh, okay. Purple onions. Okay. I
I'm gonna
chose
keep
this.
mixing.
We have some of our cherry tomatoes. We'll put it there. We have our avocado na napili.
Choose my favorite one and what I ate in school is this one.
Oh, the cherry tomatoes. Did you guys have that in school?
No, this.
Oh, yeah, the chicken teriyaki. That's right. Yeah, you love that in school.
I'm keeping mixing it.
Yeah.
And
Then we're going to put some of the pineapples.
mommy's going to add the pineapple now.
The pineapple will go so well with our...
It will look as the nicest toppings ever.
Yes, that's right, Angel. You are so right. Now, I love pineapple, so I can even eat it right here.
Nana, every time.
And then we're just going to rough chop some cilantro. Another favorite of mine is cilantro. I love it so much. This is our chicken teriyaki salad.
Now, carefully, guys, you're going to pour it very carefully. Like this.
Good job, Angel. Oh my gosh, you're really a big girl. This is our chicken teriyaki salad. It's healthy, it's refreshing, and it was so easy for us to make. You can even make it as a bonding moment with your kids. See, Isabella and I did it together and we had fun. So there, tapos healthy pa, di ba? Dapat ina-expose natin yung mga kids sa healthy.
The price. Now, let's go to the third level.
That's right!
Let's smack our fingers together. So, 3, 2, 1, go.
So now, sweetheart, we are going to do the third, and this is also super easy, but I'm sure your kids are going to love it. So let's turn this on. We are going to do a pasta version. All you really need is the PANALO chicken teriyaki and some yakisoba noodles that is store-bought. Nothing to it talaga. We're heating up our pan. We can add a little bit of oil. Okay, that's enough. Good job.
And you need to be very careful or else your kids might get burned if you do this.
That's right. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, it might sizzle a little, so just be careful. You just wanna...
I know I'm
There, Isabella, move a little. Okay.
I wanna do it.
Okay, you wanna do it. There, and then
The last one.
the last one. That's right. Now you wanna flatten it out like that to make sure that it gets really cooked. Now be careful, because I don't want you, don't stay too close to it.
Having a hot bath.
It's having a hot bath, our chicken, right? Our chicken teriyaki. Sometimes, if for example, you live in a condo and you don't have a grill, no problem, because you can just pan fry it. It smells so good, huh? Sobra po niyang bango. I hope that you can smell it.
Love it, I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Thank you, sweetheart. There you go.
That one is very easy.
See, alam mo, iba din yung smell niya pag na-pan fry. So now I think this is pretty good. Now the next one is we're going to put it aside.
Yay!
We are going to put our yakisoba noodles.
Soba noodles.
Yeah, the yakisoba noodles.
And then we're gonna add.
Yes.
After that.
Put it in, Angel.
Now.
That's our teriyaki glaze.
Now I wanna spread it around.
Now, spread it around. Good.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. There, sige, anak. Oh, no, don't chop it. Don't chop it. Just toss it. There you go. Toss it around.
Got some fresh, delicious.
Is it good, Isabella?
Yeah, it's feeling good.
But let's cook it some more together. Very, very Japanesey
Oh,
and
Nana,
like
you know I ate this in my class.
really. You can? Ooh, anak. Okay.
I love cooking. It's very
Yeah,
relaxing.
you like cooking this?
It makes your body very relaxed.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you can get a massage and that's more relaxed.
Yeah, that's true. Oo nga naman. Mas nakaka-relax nga naman ang massage kaysa magluto. Okay, so you wanna spread it around. Oh, that's enough. Okay, that's a lot of sesame seeds. Okay, that's right. There you go. These are the dishes that we made with our Panalo chicken teriyaki. And first, let's try the one that we did first. The
This
one with
is
the rice.
The first level is this one.
Yeah, the first level. So I'll put a bunch of that with rice and the sauce. It's so,
Yummy.
it's simple, it's comforting, it's really delicious.
Now
Okay,
it's this one.
okay, give me just a little. Okay, the yakisoba. It's my first time also to have it with yakisoba.
It is yummy.
I like this one a lot. Siguro kasi sanay na ako dun sa una. Ginagawang refreshing ng cilantro. And then, sobra niyang Asian flavors with the yakisoba noodles. Really good. Now let's have some of the salad. So, we want to have some of everything, okay? So some lettuce.
Peanut butter.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, not peanut butter.
And then now we're going to put the dressing that Isabella, you made this. Yeah, so we put it all there. This is our salad.
For that thing over there. I'm gonna get a glass.
This dish is perfect. Grabe yung flavor niya. This one is so good. The salad version, you have to try it. It feels so healthy with all the greens. We grilled it, so healthy yung chicken. Tapos it's got tomatoes, good for the heart.
This is for
It's got
Mommy's
avocado, you know, all the greens, the fiber, everything is there. The pineapple gives it that sweet punch, and the pineapple really complements
we're
well
going to put
with the
this
teriyaki
on
chicken.
some
You did
water.
very well with the salad.
I'm gonna get some water.
Okay. Really good. Kahit ako, na-surprise na ganun siya
That's so
ka-delicious. And there are so many ways on how you can cook and serve your Panalo chicken teriyaki. So I hope that you visit our page on Facebook and on Instagram. Order from Instagram and share this video. And I hope that you guys get to try it and tag me. So tonight, I showed you guys how to make 3 different dishes using the Panalo chicken teriyaki, and I'm sure mas creative pa kayo, baka mas marami pa kayong maisip na ways on how to cook this. Please share the recipe with us. I would love to try it. I would love to make it. Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to see our other videos.
Okay, bye!
Nanay, hard bass to the bye, Rick.